What is up, guys? This is Ethan from Las Vegas Football Cards, and today we're going to be doing a quick box opening of 2015 Playbook. So, let's get right into it. This is a one-pack deal. Hopefully we get a Mariota. That would be really nice. Alright. Looks like we got two booklets. Which is nice. Alright, so, 24 of 25. Brett Favre and Don Majkowski. We got a Devin Smith rookie card, dual jersey, and a Johnny Manziel 20 of 25. Ooh, that's an autograph. Now, if Johnny Manziel was actually a good player, I'd be pretty hype about this. That's still a very, very cool card, though. 20 of 25, Johnny Manziel. Autograph. Booklet. Very, very cool. And then we got a Devin Smith dual jersey rookie booklet. Well, that'll do it for today. That was actually a pretty decent break. Some low numbered stuff. Well, this one's numbered to 199. But 20 of 25 and 24 of 25. Let's see what this looks like. Very, very cool. All right, well, that'll do it for this break. I hope you guys enjoyed. I sure did. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what kind of boxes you'd like to see opened on this channel, and I will see if I can make them happen. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video.